changes, learning how to stand. Every road I've traveled led me here, right where I am. Life can knock you down some days, leave you feeling warm, but it's your laugh that lifts me up. That's what I'm living for. Everything turns golden when you're near. Every worry melt and disappear. Through it all my heartbeat keeps the time. You're the reason everything feels right. Oh, golden, golden, that's the way you make me feel. Every moment that we share is real. Through the highs and through the lows, you're the sweetest thing I know. Watch the years go rushing by. Watch the world keep turning around. But every time I look at you, I'm steady, I'm still found. Life could go in storms my way, could test me to the core. Simple as your hand in mine, I don't need nothing more. Even on the hardest days, you're the light that finds a way. Every heartbeat, every sound feels like home when you're around. Oh, 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 hey. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Hey. Let me know. Let me know. If you'd like it more specific, like tied to a particular life journey,